guys, welcome back to Crazy for Kids. Today we're gonna be put these old toys in Goodwill. So what we have here is one of Alicia used to love playing with this, but she grew tired of it. You can see somebody's peeking through the window. So this is Misty and this is Pearl. This is their little slide.
Sister.
Well, look like this. So when you bring it up like this,
Press that.
and then you press this, and then it goes down like this. And this is their little.
It's this way.
We got some
It's one
swings here.
pack. We got
this old little chair that Alicia used to sit in and read Gringo. This is Alicia's popper toy because she always loved the pretend she vacuums. So if you have a little girl just like Alicia's age,
She wants that.
She might want that.
Okay, you can have that back. No, sell that.
Okay. See this truck? Elijah got this, I believe. It's Ty's truck. I believe for his birthday or something. And he grown a little tired of it.
Billy has this old doll. She's creepy. Anyways, I'm doing
Look how creepy she is. She made so creepy. Look at her hair too.
me.
It can make.
I didn't expect that.
Sean. It can make.
And it has my own body, the alphabet cow.
It can make music.
No, but you can't hear.
Battery's not working.
No, it is. Mine. Pet. Forever.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, Bubba.
Music. That's the music. This here.
No, you keep waiting for the music to drop.
Everybody, this one is a really cool. This is the card. I didn't press. Alicia, watch out! Guys, watch out! Alicia, move.
Let's go.
So you're gonna wait